Hi and Assalamualaikum. We are from JIM1104C. We will be showing the process of performing an installation of the operating system using a virtual machine. This project consists of several parts. Part 1, preparation of installation disk. Part 2, installation of virtual machine. And Part 3, installation of operating system. So now we are moving to the first part, which is the preparation of installation disk. So I will start with the first part, which is the installation disk on USB. Firstly, you need to open your browser and search for Windows USB/DVD download tool, or you can also go straight to the link wdt.cortex.com. Next, you may click on this site. Click the download button, then you can save the file. After that, it will show that the files are being downloaded. Then, this will appear on your screen and you may click next and next until this appears, and you need to wait for a few seconds for it to run. After it has done running, you may click finish. This file will appear on your desktop, which is the run tool of the USB installation disk, and then you may click the file. This tab will pop up on your screen to ask you to choose the ISO file that you need to browse on your computer. First, open your computer file and plug your USB device into the computer. After the USB file appears, you may go back to the Microsoft Notice and click Browse. Go to your computer and click Local Disk to search for your Windows ISO file that you have downloaded earlier. Next, open it and click the Next button. The second step, it will ask you to select the media for your Windows 7 backup. Next, you click the USB device and it will show the next step, which is to insert the USB device. Then, click on Begin Copying. And the last step, which is creating USB device, will be running. For this, you need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes for it to finish copying the files. After it has done running, you go back to the computer file and you may see that the installation disk on your USB has complete. Although I show you this process on Windows 7, you can also use these steps for any versions of Windows.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Norsyuhada Atikah. So I will show you how to install a virtual machine. So the first step is open your Google Chrome. So search Workstation 15.5 player for Windows at your search bar, and then search it, and then click at the first option that showed up at your Google. Then you go at the left button and then click download now. After you click, you have to wait a few minutes while the file is being downloaded. After it's done, you click to open the file. After it shows like this, you have to click next, and then tick the agreement box, and then you have to click next again. And then tick at the top button, at the top box, and unclick at the second box, and then click next. Then click install to continue the installation, and you have to wait again. It might take a few minutes after it's done, but you have to wait. So it's almost done. So when it's done like this, you have to click the finish button and then click and then search at your taskbar, search the VMware workstation, and then you open it, and then you click continue. And then it will show up like this, and then you click create a new virtual machine. Take the install this image file and browse the folder that you want to save your virtual machine. Choose the file you want to, the easier for you to find it. Then click remind me later, and then once you found the right file, you click it and then click next. Next again, next, finish. Then you have to wait because the creating process just started. You have to wait for the creating process to finish. Okay, when the creating process is finished, then you are done. Hi, my name is Norsyuhada Atikah Binti Samree. So today I will show you desktop icon and change the background. So the first thing is my computer. So that's the icon for my computer. And the next thing is recycle bin. And next thing is the network. And here is the document. And the last one is control panel. So the next thing I will show to you how to change the background. I will change my background to UiTM logos. So you go to settings. And then when it appears like this, you go to personalization. And then you will see like this. So you go to browse. When you browse, you can find whatever wallpaper you want. So I will just go with a logo UiTM. So I click at the logo UiTM, so it will automatically change your background. So it's done.
So for the next step, I will show you how to install the device drivers. So firstly, go to Google and type drivers booster. Click download driver booster. Click free download. Click free download again. So we need to wait for it to be downloaded. This might take a few minutes. So we really need to be patient. A little more. We're halfway through now. software is already downloaded. So next, we are going to click custom details. We're going to click install. We click no thanks. Click next. And wait for it to be installed. It's very, very easy. And there you go. It's already installed.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Izliny Binti Shah, and today I will make a tutorial about how to set up our virtual memory in your laptop. First of all, you open your Windows and search for Control Panel and click this one. After that, we search for System and click the System and go to Advanced System Setting. This one, as you can see, the performance, visual effects, processes, scheduling, memory usage and virtual memory. Just click the setting and go to the advanced. This one, the virtual memory. A paging file is an area on the hard disk that Windows use as if it were RAM. So we can change. Okay. The initial size that I can get we can take from the recommend 1335 MB. For the maximum size, we can get from I open the calculator and type the 1335 times 1.5 gig. You can get the 2002.5, but I make a 2003 because this is files at the back. So 2003 and the setup. Okay, and okay, done. That's all for me. Thank you. Okay, next I will teach you about how to create the new user account. So first of all, you open the Windows again and click the settings and go to the account. Click the family and as the user and click the add someone else to this PC. Wait for a moment. Okay, I want to make a user account, but I don't want to make by Microsoft account, so I click this one. I don't have this person's information. create account. So I click this one again because I don't want to make another Microsoft account. So add user without a Microsoft account, and really make the password link SK MyGT baru. The third one is Johor Bahru, JB. Next. Okay, this one already done. That's all for me. Thank you.
So for the next step, I will be showing how to share the folder. So firstly, go to File, click the file, and go to Properties, click Properties. Click Sharing. Click Advanced Sharing. Also click the Share the folder. Click Properties. Permission. So you can see that you can click add and put any information if you want to. Click OK. And that is how you share a folder. It's so easy.
Hi, I am Norsyuhada. So I will show you how to run the task manager. So the first thing is you click at your mouse, click the right button, and then you go to task manager, and then it will appear like this. So basically this is the task manager. It shows how your CPU run, your memory runs, and your disk run. This is basically how the task manager run. Besides this, it also shows the performance of your CPU, of your memory, of your disk, Wi-Fi, and also your GPU. So it have another way. You can go to the search bar and you just type task manager, and it will appear right there, and you just click the run as administrator. So it will show you the same thing as before. This is the task manager. This is how task manager run. So thank you.
For the last step, I'll be showing on how to run a device manager. First, you need to click on the control panel at Windows. And then, click on the hardware and sound. After that, you will find the device manager in the devices and printers. Click on it and this will appear on your screen. Here we have all the devices that we have in our computers. Now we take an example look at the audio input and output devices. Here we have the microphones. Click on it and the properties will pop up. You see over here it says the device is working properly. Then let's have a look at the speakers. As we can see here, the speakers also show that it also working properly. At the top panel, there are file, action, view, and help panel in case you need to do some action on the devices. That is all for the last step of the process. In conclusion, an operating system or OS is software that communicates with the hardware and allows other programs to run. It is comprised of system software or the fundamental files your computer needs to boot up and function. Every desktop computer, tablet, and smartphone includes an operating system that provides basic functionality for the device. When software developers create applications, they must write and compile them for a specific operating system. This is because each OS communicates with the hardware differently and has a specific application program interface or API that the programmer must use. While many popular programs are cross-platform, meaning they have been developed for multiple OSs, some are only available for a single operating system. Therefore, when choosing a computer, make sure the operating system supports the program you want to run.